you want a progress bar that goes up while the other bar drops down? In this quick DaVinci Resolve tutorial, I will show you exactly how to build it fast, clean, and ready to use in any of your projects. Just wanted to say thanks for tuning into our tutorial, and if you would please take a moment, like and subscribe from down below. So first, what you need to do is you create a Fusion composition and then go into Fusion and open your Fusion. There you have your media out. We're going to drag a background node into it and connect it to our media out. From there, we're going to connect another background node to our first background node. From there, we're going to take and we're going to change the color of that to white. Once we change that color, we're going to now add a rectangle mask. With our rectangle node selected, we're going to go over to our inspector window and we're going to then change these numbers because we are going to create the progress border. So we're going to change our center to 0.1135. We're going to change our Y to 0.4935. With that, we're going to change our width to 0.335 and our height to 0.05. So that will create the bar. Once we uncheck the solid, all we have now is a border that we're going to change the border width to 0.003. That will give us our outline for the border that we are going to be creating. Now that we're going to have this, we're going to change our angle to a -90. You can change and put the progress bar anywhere you want it. So some of these numbers are going to be completely up to you and whatever it is that you are doing. Now that you have completed the border for the progress meter, we are now going to go back down to our node tree. We're going to copy those two nodes and we're going to paste them into our node tree. We're going to take the background node and we're going to connect it to the output of the merge node. From there, we're going to go over and we're going to change the color to whatever it is that you want it to be. The progress bar color is, for us, we're going to use a yellow. We're going to now select the rectangle node and we're going to change the values of the rectangle node to match. Right now, we're going to be using 0.1135, 0.4935. We're going to change the width to 0.335. We're going to change the height to 0.05. We're going to keep the angle at a -90. Now what we're going to do is we're going to select this to make it a solid. So now, as you can see, we have a solid progress bar there. Now we're going to add the mask to make the progress bar animated. We're going to take the output to the merge, and from there we're going to select the progress bar rectangle mask, and we're going to change the center to 0.1155, the Y to 0.1885. We're going to change the width to 0.3346 and the height to 0.0766, and we're going to take the angle and make that a -90. So we have ours starting halfway in the progress meter because we're using it in this theory at a 0 point, and we're going to move it negative or we're going to move it positive. So now what we're going to do is we're going to animate this progress bar. We're going to highlight the rectangle 2 node, and all we're going to animate is the Y. So we're going to take the Y and we're going to put a keyframe right there since this is our 0 point, and we're going to make this one go negative. So we're going to take it over, let's say, to frame 100, and then we're going to create another keyframe by dropping the progress bar down as far as you want. You can take it off the screen to a 0, or you can take it up a little bit. We're just going to take it up to just a little bit. And now when you play this, you can see that the progress bar will actually move to the negative position in our progress meter. So now to make the double progress bar, we're just going to copy all of these nodes and we're going to paste them, and we're going to hook the merge nodes up, highlight all of them, and hit shift and drag the merge down till it's connected to our node tree. We do the same thing with the second merge. We're going to connect that and we take the output and connect it. So make sure all of these are connected, and once they are all connected, all we need to do is change the values. So we can go over to rectangle 2 and change our values. Our center value will be 2.249. Our Y value will be 0.4935. Our width will be 0.335. Our height would be 0.05, and the angle again is a -90. As you can see, that creates another border out here. Now we're going to take our rectangle 1, and we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to then change the values of our rectangle. We're going to change the center to 0.2504, our Y to 0.4846, our width to 0.32, our height to 0.032, and we're going to leave the angle at -90. Now we're going to go down and we're going to double check our rectangle 2, and we're going to change the center of our rectangle 2 to 0.25. We're now going to change the Y to 0.1919. So we're going to change the width right now to 0.3346, and now we're going to change the height to 0.0766, and again we'll leave that at -90. As you can see here, we are using this as a 0 point. Now if our rectangle node 2 being selected, we are now going to go over and make sure that your timeline is in the 0 position. We are now going to animate this progress bar. We're going to have everything in the 0 position here and add a keyframe. With that keyframe added, we are now going to move the Y position at frame 100, and we're going to move the Y position all the way up. So we're going to have to select the medium out node and make that highlighted. Then with that, we are now going to select our Y, and we're going to move that up until that bar is full, and that will add a keyframe automatically, so that now when we play this back, you will see that that bar and the first bar will move independently. You can make this horizontally, or you can make it vertically, or you can make a single bar, or you can make more than one. You can animate these to have arrows on the end if you want. So you can have it arrow down. You can make it go from positive to negative. It's all up to you and how you want to do it. So I hope you enjoyed this short little tutorial. If you would please take the time to hit the like and subscribe button, and we will see and talk to you later.